Everyone, now we have to read about the heat zones. As we can see in the book, all the three heat zones are given: torrid zone, temperate zone, frigid zone. We have seen torrid zone, temperate zone, frigid zone. Same way, south side also, torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. First one, the torrid zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer in the north and the Tropic of Capricorn in the south. The equator falls in this zone. Since this zone receives direct rays of the sun throughout the year, it is the hottest zone. It is the hottest zone. Torrid zone is the hottest zone because it is receiving the direct sun rays. So we have seen in the pic also, in the image, that direct sun rays will fall in this torrid zone, and it lies between Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere and Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere. So from here to here, full torrid zone is there and equator is there in this zone only. It is written here, equator falls in this zone. So equator is present in this zone only, torrid zone, from here to here, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. Next one is the temperate zone. The temperate zone is a zone of moderate temperatures. Moderate means not very hot and nor very cold. The northern temperate zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle. Northern temperate zone lies between Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle. See this diagram. Northern tropic zone. Northern temperate zone lies from here to here. Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle. Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle. Same way, southern lies between Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle. Tropic of Capricorn till Antarctic Circle. So here written, the north temperate zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle, and the south temperate zone lies between the Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. The rays of the sun reach the Earth's surface at a slanted angle throughout the year. So here the rays are at slanted. The sun rays are slanted throughout the year. So the temperature here is moderate, not very hot nor very cold. So that's why I have told you to learn all these lines also: Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, equator, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle, both the poles, because we have to learn this diagram properly with these lines only. Now next one is the frigid zone. The frigid zone is a very cold zone. Frigid means cold. As I have told you in the previous video, frigid means cold. Frozen area, mostly the frozen area. This side near the poles, both the sides, it is the frigid zone, north frigid zone and south frigid zone. North frigid zone and south frigid zone will get very less rays of the sun, and that's why it is mostly frozen. It lies from Arctic Circle to the North Pole, north frigid zone, and south frigid zone lies from the Antarctic Circle to the South Pole. Same thing is written here. The north frigid zone lies between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole, while the south frigid zone lies between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole. These regions are extremely cold. These regions are extremely cold and permanently frozen because the sun rays reach the Earth's surface at an extremely slanted angle. So these two regions, here and here, near the poles, are mostly frozen throughout the year. Frigid zones, north frigid zone and south frigid zone, because the sun rays reach the Earth's surface at an extremely slanted angle.